Hello friends, welcome to SQL Code Writing. Today we can check how to create a procedure and alter a procedure and drop the procedure. Okay, so we have one table customer. First we want to create a procedure to display all customer details. Okay, so we want to create a parameterless store procedure. So we can use create procedure. We can given load customer details. As here we can use begin end. We want to display all customer details. Okay, select start from customer. Okay, so create a procedure, proc or procedure, whatever you can use. Create a procedure name as select start from customer. You can just execute this command, execute successfully. Okay, now we can execute this procedure. So we can use execute statement, execute load customer. Okay, now we are getting the output. Customer ID, name, country, SalesAmount. Okay. Next we want alter this procedure with country parameter. We want to pass country name and we want to get that customers only. Okay. So here we can use so we want to alter this procedure, right? So we can use alter procedure name. Here we can use the parameters. We want to use country. Okay, at country varchar of 100. Close this space. Just execute. Okay. Now we want to pass the parameter India. Okay. Just execute. So we want to filter this condition here. Okay. So whether country is equal to your country is equal to at country. Okay, we can just execute this query. Now we are getting 3 outputs. Correct. Okay. Now we want to just pass UK. Now we are getting Sara circle value. Okay. Next we want to drop procedure. Okay. So here we can use drop procedure or proc Just execute. Okay. Now we drop that procedure. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys.